Okay guys, okay, so we're going to continue our discussion on factoring polynomial. Okay, so how to rewrite a polynomial as a product of polynomials of a smaller degree. Okay, so itong step, there are three steps. Step 1, we need to find the GCF through prime factorization. Okay, and then the step 2, write each term as the product of the GCF and its other factor. And the step 3 is apply the distributive property. Okay, for example, okay, so we have this example, your assignment. Okay, letter number 1, 10b plus 5c. So step 1, we have to look for the GCF through prime factorization. So friends of mine, what is the factor of 10b? 2 times 2 times 5 times b. Okay. For the 5c. Okay, sige. 1 times 5 times c. Okay, so what is the GCF? 5. No, sige. More man ang dyan na ay common. And then, what else? Wala na. Nga naman, why? Because, kini jay, b. Wala na siya labot? Oh, pero, what si jay? Common factor. And then, ang c, wapoy, common factor. So, sa yung GCF? 5. Very good. Okay. Then, next step, unsa naman to? Mangita tao. Gusto to, write each term of the product of write each term as the product of the GCF and its other factors. So, we will look. Okay, so ating GCF is 5. Okay, as the product of other factors. Plus. Okay. 5. Okay, so unsa man, okay, what is the term or what is the variable na inig-multiply na to and ito 5 will come out of 10b. Oh, 2b, very good. 2b, kay 5 times 2b is 10b. Okay, sa akin ang pitas. 1 oh, sabi sira. Okay, dili ta maingon og paminaw. Dili ta maingon og 1c kay kini automatic naman na siya 1, di ba ang constant. Okay, so sira. Okay, igawas na to ang 5. Ang 5 ba kini. Then tuponon ang first ug second term. Okay, so 2b plus c. Okay, para i-check na to. Okay, so expand na to, expand ra. Okay, so 5 times 2b is 10b plus 5c. Okay, so our factored form is mauni siya. Okay, nakasabot. Nag-get? Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2. 18b cubed minus 30b squared. Okay, so we will find the GCF of 18b cubed. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18 times b cubed. Okay, 30b squared. Okay, sige. What is the common factors? 2 times 2 times 3 Okay, times pila man? Oh, times 5 b squared. Diba 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is pila? 30. Okay, so what is the GCF?
3, ma'am. Audit day, ma'am. 6.
Oh, 6. Nga nung 6 man. Kaya kini di ba mo man itong common factor? Okay, so 2 times 3. Ang atong variable.
1B.
B squared or B cube? B squared. B squared. Ano man ang the last exponents man. Okay, so our GCF is 6B squared. Okay, so arita sa step 2. Sunod lang guys. Step 2. So igawas na to ang 6B. Kaya mo man yung atong GCF niya, we will look for a term na ma-multiply na to that will come up. Okay, unsa may atong ma-multiply diri nga mo come up sa 18b cube.
3B.
Oh, 3b. It's correct, di ba? 3b. 6b squared times 3b is 18b cube. Kaya nga naman ang exponents 2 plus 1. Okay, sa minus din sa 30b squared. 5. Okay. 5 na ba? Oh, 5 na. Kaya nga naman 6b squared times 5 is 30b squared. Okay? So, next step is sa igawas na to ang 6b, then tipunon ang first of second term. Okay, 6b squared 3b minus 5. Okay, muna siya ang atong factor form. Okay, check. Okay, so this is 18b cube. Sakto ba? 18b cube minus 6b squared times 5. Minus 5 is minus 30b squared. Sakto? Correct? Naka-answer sa assignment? Okay. Sige, arit ka sa number 3. Okay, number 3. 9a cube plus 21a squared. Okay, so what is the factor of na GCF of 9a cube? 3 times 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, 3 times 3 times a cube. Okay, and 21a squared. Kami na, 21a squared. Okay, 3 times 7 times a squared. Butang nag-apelido, kaya para kumulito. Okay, so what is our GCF? Say, what is our GCF? 3a squared. Okay, 3a squared. Okay, sana na tayo GCF. Ari na tayo sa step 2. Okay, so gawas na to ng 3a squared. Mangita ta og term na mo-multiply sa atong factor. Okay, unsa may atong term nga ibutang dinhi? 3 kung a squared mahimong cube. 9a cube. Unsa may atong ibutang dinhi? 3 times unsa may apelido niya? Unsa may variable? 3a ra. Lalo man kay 2 plus 1 is cube man. Okay, sige, sa second term, unsa may atong ano din? Ah? Oh, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, next step. Igawas ang 3a squared. Then, ang first ug second term tipunon 3a plus 7. Okay, so let us try to check kung sakto ba. 3a squared times 3a is 9a cubed plus 3a squared times 7 is 21a squared. Okay, so who wants to try number 4 plus 5?